This is the repentant thief. I'm the one that. So they all die. All three die. And the forgiven thief, the repentant one, dies and goes to heaven. And Saint Michael, the number one angel, says, "Welcome."
Who
are you? What's your name? Who are you? And he says, "I'm Bobby. And I'm a criminal, and the Roman soldiers just crucified me." And Saint Michael goes, the angel goes, "What? Were your parents Christians?" "No." Did you go to Sunday school?" "No." "Were you baptized?" "No." "Do you know the doctrine of justification by faith?" "Never heard of it." "Well, how did you get in?" And he said, "Because the man in the middle cross said I could come." That is the gospel.
Amen.
Thank you.